Today we're going to draw the Lotto logo. Pretty simple. You'll need a ruler, but when you do, we can draw the little two rectangles that intersect, and where they intersect is left white, the rest is red. When we're done, we'll pop this into our cool logos file here at Art for All. Let's go! You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.